Good morning, investors! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Allegra Garden Place and I will tour you ahead in one bedroom, 38 square meters. Let's go!
This is a 38 square meters, one bedroom. So pagpasok pa lang natin, sasalubong agad ng ating kitchen area and then may naka-install na mga cabinet system. Sa left side naman, nandito ang toilet and bath. And dito naman tayo sa living area. Ang kagandahan ng unit layout na to, merong kani-kaniyang access sa balcony. Meron dito sa living area at meron din sa bedroom. Tingnan naman natin ang bedroom. So pagpasok pa lang, mapapansin agad kung gaano siya kaaliwalas. Dahil yung window natin is floor to ceiling na, kaya ang daming natural light na pumapasok. Ang total contract price nitong unit layout na 38 square meters, one bedroom, ay nagkakahalaga from 6.5 million up to 7.7 million. Depende kung saang location ng unit ang mapipili natin. At good news dahil meron tayong ongoing promo na 1% discount up to 10% discount. It's either 12% down payment or 100% spot cash. Pwede nating i-customize ang payment terms based sa preferred budget at timeline ninyo. For 12% down payment payable in 36 months, aabot lang around 21,000 pesos ang iyong monthly down payment. At alam niyo ba na pwede ka na ring mag-early move-in habang nagbabayad pa lang ng iyong down payment? Yes, you heard it right dahil meron tayong tinatawag na Home Advance Program or rent-to-own terms.
And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching the video. So if you have questions regarding the computation or if you want to schedule a viewing, just message me on my social media pages. And if you want to watch the whole condo tour, I will just pin the link in the comment section. Again, this is Joanne Chung, the MCI Homes Property Consultant.